Friction is everywhere, but calculating it doesn't have to be complicated. Meet the friction calculator on sci-fi-calculators.com, a free interactive tool that solves both static and kinetic friction instantly. Just enter your normal force, the friction coefficient, and an optional applied force. The calculator handles everything else. You get the maximum static friction force, the kinetic friction force, and a real-time simulation showing exactly what's happening between the two surfaces. Not sure about the friction coefficient? No problem. Just pick from the built-in surface presets, like rubber on concrete, wood on wood, or metal on metal. You also get a full step-by-step breakdown of how the result was calculated. Perfect for homework, lab reports, and AP physics. Whether you're a student, engineer, or just curious, this tool makes friction analysis fast, accurate, and easy. Try the friction calculator now at sci-fi-calculators.com. Link in the description.